Are you an animal lover? If the answer yes, you are in the right place. On this topic you will know the 100 best websites on the internet that provide animal lovers and pet owners with access to a central online community for immersive, engaging interaction and high-quality entertainment. Number 11. Taylor Nicole Dia, animal YouTuber. Texas, United States. About blog. Watch videos of different animals on YouTube. Welcome to my channel, where I invite you into my ill world of animals. Frequency 9 videos per year since July 2015. Twitter followers 219,000. Instagram followers 336.5 thousand. Number 12. The Better India, animal welfare. India. About blog. Get animal welfare related positive news from India. Frequency 2 posts per month. Facebook fans 2.2 million. Twitter followers 642.5 thousand. Instagram followers 252.1 thousand. Number 13. Science News, Wild Things. Washington, District of Columbia, United States. About blog. Keep up to date with the latest information on the weird and wonderful in the natural world. Facebook fans 2.6 million. Twitter followers 3.4 million. Instagram followers 23.7 thousand. Number 14. The Best Friends blog. Kanab, Utah, United States. About blog. The blog of National Animal Welfare Organization, Best Friends Animal Society. We run the largest no-kill animal sanctuary and programs to end the killing in America's shelters. Read stories of the animals and the outreach work saving lives and working. Frequency 1 post per month. Facebook fans 1.3 million. Twitter followers 227.1 thousand. Instagram followers 457.9 thousand. Number 15. Nature World News. New York, United States. About blog. Nature World News offers the latest news from the natural world. Frequency 6 posts per day. Facebook fans 103.5 thousand. Twitter followers 3.6 thousand. Number 16. The Cincinnati Zoo Blog. Cincinnati, Ohio, United States. About blog. The Cincinnati Zoo Blog is dedicated to creating adventure, conveying knowledge, conserving nature, and serving the community. Frequency 3 posts per month since November 2008. Facebook fans 1.3 million. Twitter followers 240.2 thousand. Number 17. Aquarium of the Pacific blog. Long Beach, California, United States. About blog. The Aquarium of the Pacific is an aquarium on a 5-acre site on Rainbow Harbor in Long Beach, California, United States. It is situated across the water from the Long Beach Convention Cantor, Shoreline Village, and the Queen Mary Hotel and Attraction. Take a journey of discovery through the world's largest ocean. Frequency 15 posts per year. Facebook fans 164.4 thousand. Twitter followers 30.6 thousand. Instagram followers 88.6 thousand. Number 18. Defenders of Wildlife blog. Washington, District of Columbia, United States. About blog. Get the latest news on imperiled species and habitats from defenders of wildlife, and learn what you can do to help. Since May 2010. Facebook fans 755.7 thousand. Twitter followers 1.8 thousand. Instagram followers 36.5 thousand. Number 19. American Humane. Washington, District of Columbia, United States. About blog. Founded in 1877, American Humane is committed to ensuring the safety, welfare and well-being of animals. Our leadership programs are first to serve in promoting and nurturing the bonds between animals and humans. Frequency 1 post per day. Facebook fans 319.7 thousand. Twitter followers 31,000. Instagram followers 12.3 thousand. Number 20. Ontario SPCA blog. Ontario, Canada. About blog. The Ontario SPCA's mission is to facilitate and provide for province-wide leadership on matters relating to the prevention of cruelty to animals and the promotion of animal welfare. Society is working to bring an end to pet overpopulation and the abuse, neglect and abandonment of animals and promote respect and appreciation of animals. Frequency 3 posts per week. Facebook fans 65.5 thousand, Twitter followers 22.3 thousand, Instagram followers 20.6 thousand.